In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to use the transfer license command to free up an activation slot so you can activate it onto another computer. Real-time landscaping can be activated onto two computers. However, if you would like to transfer the software from one computer to another, we can do that by using the transfer license command. If you are transferring data from one computer to another, it is best advised to transfer the custom data. If you are using Real-Time Landscaping 2026 or after, you can go to Tools, Data Export Wizard to export your custom data, and use the Data Import Wizard to import the data onto the new computer. To transfer, go ahead and click on the Help menu, and then select Transfer License. This will show you your software's activation code. Go ahead and click Save if you need to save the activation code, and then go ahead and click Transfer License. Once you hit Transfer License, you'll see a pop-up saying that the deactivation was successful. You are now free to activate the software onto another computer. Go ahead and enter in the activation code, and then click Activate. If the Activate button does not highlight, that means the activation code was entered incorrectly or does not match the version of the software. Make sure that the activation code does match the version of the software that you are trying to activate. Thanks for watching, and if you have any other questions about our software, please visit ideaspectrum.com or email support@ideaspectrum.com.